What is up, everyone? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're working on a suggested video, right? So on today's suggestion, we're gonna go to Russia, right? And we're gonna react to a song called Trenchtown by Miyagi, right? It's a memory of Bob Marley, right? Official music video. Now this was requested by a subscriber, right? And I love Russian music, even though I don't understand the language, but the music is literally inspiring, right? Just because of Shaman, Diana, you guys know those Russian singers, right? And I'm from Jamaica, so we are here for the music, not the sound, not whatever. We are here for everything, right? It's all inclusive, right? So I'm traveling from Jamaica to listen to a 4-year-old song done by Miyagi. Okay guys, so if you guys have any more suggestions that you guys want me to check out, please feel free to drop them. I'll be happy to check them out. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in. Let's see how well this man will deliver this song at this point. So peace. One thing I respect, right? It's that Bob Marley, everyone loves this man, right? He's one of the most well-known plus loved man in Jamaica. He's so wide, he's so huge in this world that he's very inspiring to a lot of people, even people who doesn't really understand the Jamaican Creole, especially the language. But trust me, Bob Marley sings and change a lot of people's hearts out there. And just imagine, Bob Marley is very huge in Russia, and I appreciate the momentum that everyone is showing a respect in their music towards Bob Marley. I'm grateful to be a part of the Jamaican diaspora. I'm grateful to be a Jamaican, and I'm grateful to witness all these people who are feeling Bob Marley's music and paying tribute towards him because of the greatness that he have done. Bro, fully Bob Marley.
Reggae music.
Can it be copied quite successfully outside of Jamaica?
Well, you see, well,
guys, to be honest, Bob Marley is my favorite reggae artist of all time. I have a lot of artists that I listen to, but Bob Marley is one of my favorite. I grew up as a youth listening to Bob Marley, bro. Like, damn, just listen to this. This is so good.
feel about the music. It can be copied, you know, but it's not copied. It's the feel, you know.
Yeah, guys, and this man Bob Marley, right? He's full of inspirational words. Every time you sit and listen to Bob Marley, you are inspired by the word that he bring across to everyone. He's very good.
It carry a feel where if you ask plenty musicians, them know it.
Just listen to what Bob Marley have to say, bro. It's so good.
Know it, but them can't do it.
My calculations are correct.
Yo, this is gonna be lit.
When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Booka, booka, booka. Well. Phenomenal instrumental. Wow. This is giving me a No Woman No Cry instrumental beat. No woman no cry. Damn. What? I never knew that Russian have rappers, bro. I never knew, bro. To listen to this, it's mind blowing. Boop. The vocals are great. The sound is good. Whoa, it's giving you that vibe, bro. my. Oh my. Beautiful song, bro. Yo, my God, bro. The world is so huge, and I'm just learning. And what I'm learning so far is that music is really a beautiful thing when we know music. And to be honest, to be in Russia now, listening to this track, I'm flattered, bro. Damn, this is so good. Vocals change. Vocals change. Oh my God, bro, this is so good. Yo, a solid for me. Yo, this made me so excited, right? This is so exciting. Oh, the raise of notes, bro. The vocals of raised. No, bro is gonna DJ. He's gonna. Yo, this is so good. He's talented. Boop, boop, boop. Sweet music! Sensational music! And one thing I respect about this track is because it's sounding like Bob Marley, to be exact, bro. It's because it's been sung in a Russian language. This is the reason why it doesn't sound like Bob Marley's full song, No Woman No Cry. But bro, to be honest, this track is so good. Trust me, bro. And I like the respect that everyone, right, is showing the homage and respect to Bob, right? And he's from the country I'm at now, Jamaica. I respect that so much. I like that so much, bro. Boop, boop, boop. Bro. Yo, okay. This is freaking awesome. This is way too awesome, bro. One of the most iconic raps I've heard in my entire life of living as a youth, bro. Boop, 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 boop. Bro, this song deserves a Grammy. This song deserves a Grammy. This is remarkable, bro. Boop. Whoa, 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 I love this. I love this. Buka. No. Yo, I would love to hear this man sing some more. To be honest, I'm doing a follow-up video after this one. To be honest, I love this. Wonderful music, amazing beat, lovely inspirational words coming from this song. I'm not understanding the Russian language, but I'm really and truly a big fan of what I'm hearing thus far. I love it. I can feel the sensation coming from this music. It's giving me the vibe to dance, bro, and I appreciate it, man. Amazing drum roll as well. Very good drum roll. And I gotta say, big up to those musicians, big up to those instrumental makers, and big up to the artist, bro. Miyagi, he has done a great song, a great job as well. Shout out to you, my bro. Boop, boop.
I remember when we used to sit.
One of my favorite songs is about to play now. No woman, no cry. Boop, boop.
In the government yard in Trenchtown. And then Georgie would make the firelight.
Wow, this track is so good that Bob Marley done, bro. It is so good, bro. Boop, 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 boop.
As it was bloodwood burning through the night.
Bro, that was good. That was appreciably good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed it so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys did and truly enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on this video. Smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.